So I'm going to use the Pointer XL2 and the Pointer Plus on a motor point of the medial deltoid. So for the Pointer XL, this is the machine that I've had for about 8 years, I turn this on. I usually start, you gotta stay in the blue. You go too high and you're zapping yourself and you're zapping your friend. So you're at 0 to 2, and I'll start around right there to start. This is my frequency, so 1 or 2 is where I like to start for patient comfort. Negative or positive really does not matter. You can switch it to either one, it's fine. When I have to be touching the metal, I have to be pushing on the button. It says I'm about 3 hertz, 4 hertz, I'm good with that. We want to press on the muscle that we're stimulating. You could use both fingers on both sides. You're going to touch. Now I need to turn it up a little bit to make it move. There we go. So the muscle's moving. I can turn it up a little higher. Now we get even better movement. Excellent. And so this low frequency is great for releasing tension in a muscle, and you'll see it starts to move better as we go because we're releasing tension in this medial deltoid. But let's say you think it's neurologically inhibited, it has motor inhibition, and as a deltoid phasic muscle, it's definitely prone to motor inhibition. So I crank up to a higher frequency, above 10. What am I at? 15, 14? I'm good with that. And I'm going to press, and I'm going to get some good contractions here. I'm looking for the best, strongest contractions I can get. And I would be happy with that. If he had a shoulder problem, I might have another point and hook it up to 2 hertz for 2 to 5 minutes, but otherwise that might just be treated already. Here's my Pointer Plus, which is always 10 hertz. This is a favorite of a lot of the people who do the McMaster course. So I'll start around 2. Again, I have to touch the metal and press the button. No window to tell you what frequency you're at. You're already at 10. Okay, and you just touch. So for patient comfort, you might start a little lower than I did. But once I see it moving, I'm good, but I can always turn up a little bit more for a better, stronger contraction. Excellent. And that's it. If you're getting zapped in your own hand, you might be a little too high. If you're getting zapped on your non-dominant hand, the electricity may be spreading out across the skin, which means you're not deep enough with your needle. So if it's safe enough to go a little deeper, then you would do that so that you're stimulating the muscle and not just the skin. And that's it.